What's going on, guys? Welcome to Latrobe. Let's take a look around the shop. First up behind me is a very unique vehicle. As many of you guys know, it's a Cybertruck. This got a full vinyl wrap in gloss black, and as you can see, it has Tron tape on certain body lines. So what Tron tape is, it's glow-in-the-dark tape. So this time of day, it looks like white pinstriping. Check this thing out at night, it'll look like it's all glowing in the dark on the accent pieces. Now that the vinyl portion of the job is complete, it's gonna head over to the Caleb for a 4-year ceramic coating. Up on the lift is a brand new BMW M2. We did front bumper protection on this, side window and back window window tint, and then it's gonna be polished and ceramic coated with our 4-year Fusion Plus coating. Next up is a brand new AT4 GMC Sierra. This got our track package paint protection film, full side and back window tint, and we're gonna be ceramic coating the glass to kind of be like a longer lasting Rain-X. Next up for ceramic coating is this 370Z. It has seen a lot of road use, so it's gonna need a multi-step paint correction, and then we're gonna coat the entire vehicle, including the soft top. Over here, we got Aaron doing some work on this Harley. This is a CVO ST. As you can see, it's a custom piece on the top of the saddlebags. So no patterns here. Everything will be all bulk, as we call it. We are also doing some pieces on this side painted area. We have some custom paint work there, so we want to get that protected from any future use, any road debris hitting it. Next up, we got Tyler doing some vinyl. We're doing a chrome delete on this Cadillac. We're going to be matching up to the factory B pillars. So ordinarily, you'll see these vehicles with the factory pieces between the windows wrapped in that matte black vinyl. The rest of the window trim will be chrome. We're going to change it up and make the entire area matte black. In the wash bay, we got Max doing his thing on this Toyota Tundra. We're getting the entire vehicle prepped, and we're gonna be laying some paint protection film. It's getting a track package, A-pillars, and partial roof. Behind me is the Subaru Legacy. We did not tint this vehicle initially. The back window had massive delamination. I'm sure you guys have seen the oval-shaped bubbles between the frosters in certain back windows. We took the old tint off the vehicle and reapplied the back window in our lifetime warranted xpel tint. Next to the Legacy is a Kia K5. This one got our lifetime warranted Prime XR tint on all the side windows and the back window. That is all for the Latrobe shop. Let's see what Joe, Chuck, and Steve are doing down at the 911 shop as I head to Gibsonia.
Hi, it's Joe over at Blackout Tinting Emergency Vehicle Shop to show you what we got in the shop today. First, we have this 2024 Ford F-250 fire truck vehicle. We were waiting for this for a while they got the cap put on, and it's a pretty neat item. It has a light up inside, has a big pull out, and this thing will actually pull out the whole length of the truck. What we're going to be doing with this is we're going to be putting a directional light down here that will have traffic advisor and also red flashing plus amber. We're putting some lights back in the footwell steps. We're putting some lights where the running boards are. Of course, the light bar on top, antenna on top, and our huge big console in the middle. And this monstrosity here is going on the front, and it also has the winch, which we have mounted already, and the code 3. This little light here is phenomenal. Once we get it all hooked up, we'll hopefully do another video and show you that little light there. That thing is fantastic. Also, we have some custom stuff done. We have some small code 3s where it used to say XLT, and they fit exactly in that same exact spot. All the lights will be synchronized. That's about it for this one. We also have, you've probably seen these here before, these Dodge Chargers for Somerset Police. We're waiting to get the graphics finished. Other than that, they're about ready to go, other than our final check. And we have the other Ford Explorer here, which you may have seen before also. Police version 2025 has a lot of neat features. We'll show you all that one once we're able to fire it up. That's about all for today. Oh, we have a school bus coming too. We're going to be putting a new stereo with 6 new speakers. It was supposed to be here. So far it hasn't showed up yet, but that's coming next.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is a vehicle from our friends at Swiftly Car Store. It is a brand new Cayenne Turbo. This is in for our track package paint protection film along with an 8-year Fusion Plus Premium ceramic coating. Next up for paint protection film is this E-Ray. As you can see, it is all painted accent pieces in the front. So the entire front bumper and the full hood are being protected in our 8mm paint protection film. Next up is a repair on this 2023 X5. This one's in from our friends at City Collision. The passenger side of the vehicle does have a number of replacement panels, including the bumper, flares, rocker panels, back door, back quarter panel, we're going to be replacing all of the damaged PPF with our stealth paint protection film. In the tint bay, we have Ian and Cole doing this brand new Audi RS3. This is getting a number of things, including XR Plus window tint. We're going to be doing a door sill package on this vehicle, along with the wash and coat with our Griot's Garage ceramic wash and coat soap. In the wash bay, we got Mark doing his thing on this Land Cruiser. This was in the shop about a week and a half ago for some paint protection film. It is back in the shop now for a full polish and 4-year coating. In the back is another C8. This one is a Z06, obviously. Got a number of pieces of paint protection film, the bumper, the hood, and the rocker panels. Behind the Z06 is a brand new BMW M3. As you can see, this is a work in progress of a stealth wrap. We're going to be protecting all panels in the stealth paint protection film. We have tinted the side windows and the back window in our virtually clear 70% XR Plus window tint. After that is all complete, let's go in the mark for a coating. Up on the lift is this Porsche 911. This one is in for a 10 mil track pack. So this is going to be a tracked vehicle, hence the 10 mil upgrade. So added protection, added peace of mind. This thing's ready for the track. That's all for Gibsonia. Let's see what the Miami crew is up to.
Hey guys, it's Kayla here with Blackout Tinting South Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in the shop, so come on. Here is a 2024 Dodge Durango Hellcat. This one is fresh off the lot. We're doing a full ceramic coating and tint. We are using the Prime XR Plus to tint the full vehicle in 20%. Currently, Amari is torquing the wheels for the ceramic coating. This is just to tighten the lug nuts and make sure everything is good to go. So here we have is a 2022 Toyota Supra. Now, I think this car is pretty cool because it has the large hood. We already did the full PPF wrap to the bumper and applied it as well. We're going to go and tint it with the Prime XR in 35%. As you can see, this is Alfredo, our tinter. He likes to jump in the trunk right here and start applying the soap and water to lay the tint film down.
Hey guys, Flat Glass team here. We're at the Brownsville Area School District where they needed a privacy film to keep people from seeing in the building, so they selected Silver 15 with a nice reflective exterior.